kwa babiam do ba Adom 106.3 na watwa ba pa wonsema edunum. Na mebusa mpacho mese busa biomwa msre. Ministry of Roads and Highways mo mekire ade mu na yente ase. Body care over 4 million Ghana cedis. And I'm a contractor na oye lek makwan no. And which a car catch say ye tuaba so e bru 20 million Ghana cedis. Wo kabomwa e 25 million 491,570.27 Ghana cedis. What the quad dollars are e 9 million 89,181.54 million US dollars. A coin so a year 7.5 kilometers. It's not just a 1 kilometer piano a year 1,211,890.872 million US dollars. Pacho mi hu kwan kuna ye wo ho 2016 a coin a year we no a car ya bo ho a close to $10 million. Pacho mi ntia se Ministry of Roads and Highways mumra na mumekyerɛ ase yenjane tibiom so say wan hwe kwan na da ho no sika ebesa de awie no so almost 10 million. 10 million. It is how they kwakanda da no ho dia. They say 19,291,663.02 million US dollars. That is a 1 kilometer of Lake Makwano 7.5 no 2,572,801.756 million US dollars. 1 kilometer, more than $2 million. Menja say me hunu kwan kuna yeah sa calculation ya that is a 1 kilometer be more than $2 million US dollars. Yemfa yento me pesa me busa Ghana Water Company Limited ayana madwen sheda moa kwan ya yefa so a ye ton ya ban ye japade but what dey ma me nkwa ahoma no so then the Ghana Water for so na mo na me ne Open Stanley Mante manager in charge of communications Emma Ghana Water Company and Dwaso me no want me nka me mo achen
yo yeja
na bibia e bokode e
yes Adom bibia na yo so
obadi ada Roma yenso ye ho ye pa and then so ye hia biom mpacho en hyehyɛ a ɛwɔ pipe apai ho ɛyɛ den a emra se den.
Okay, me said that and question I say okay emra ka
and mame famra form say me ye kwan me ye me project be individual project say ya bind you say ye hwan do project no akopai pipeline emra ne hyehyɛ ne ka den wo ho
yo say who ye project a yen attention no say obeboy amane say oh ye project bi a eben yen pipelines nti embama yeni about so na the time bia we onipa ba ko ho no a se bibi sia o hwe na wo ye ntem but most of the time they say I am one country they just do their work and it's a pipe no by fire e go how mo inform me ntem e go also mo inform me ntem let problems but she say what no say so what pie oh yeah we project now pipeline bia I will say we tia na repair so what we do is say yeah be a bill mount no tia na say one inform me na e happen na yeah yen 10 near the bill no abro ma we tia yes say most of them no lot of problems so mo tia na adane in sensem ebi so ho no a omo very responsible nti bibi normal o sort it out. Some of them no omo attach omo plumbers nti say small pipeline be a service line be a plumbers are able to work on it but say major pipeline and I say a main transmission and I say a main line be a distribution line be a and just a young son ya baba yehujuma nti a challenge that you face kakaka our system no with a contractors now only fiber optics cables, no, and some other cables. I know we can form. But I'm brand said so pipe beer also to Jaka, especially when it's a project.
And now, pina omuntia.
We face those challenges, but they are the cause of those problems.
And now, what's a one year day?
They hear say you cannot repair pipeline or am I soon a say a coal waste. Until I know they will do that first. Nadia Cano, I can what's up.
Penny, I know dear Matthias, and she say, Sir Captain Smart, so sit down, or you got her, or ye day, Nessa baby a dano pipe at Dahua, Emra, and I yamra, and Mran, see Yamabogana water from an yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. And Mran says, I want Cobama yet. Nessa was say, with my pipe and a pine in Swugua. Either say, would check my ye, and I say, a bay, we near the Canabroma, what ya, yes, and Mranity. And I'm prepare a moment of Muntia, yes, sir.
Yes, this is our challenges.
And I'm a say, what a home today.
Oh, say, you do from Mano and Science in some and from your demand, say, the man, I'm about to take you over into court, and I did my please, and then from police to the court.
And to Marco court.
Oh, you'd never be more court.
You've been in a while.
Oh, meeting both contractors meeting because I can't two other countries happening to other countries.
And see, what do we share? A bit to be debated how many years, how many months, and so
yes, the Ukraine been the 4 months, 5 months, but 1 year they be able to do it.
And to say, Equaban say, Ebia Ghana water, and Nisika, Moya than a moment, tennis, our pipe, no, our pino.
Say, Tebia, dear, you better pay Sika as a pay because we can't allow the water to go with. And then we can also deprive people in that area of water. So I say, because a partner fire, I will say isolate you, I will say it's me too. Yeah, too much, more line is serving now, they'll be deprived. So we can't deprive them of the water, and we can't also allow the water to go waste. We will have to do the needful first. And son, the cannot also.
And need for no day at yes, here. It's Usha, one more on court, no case can see any baby saying.
Oh, a very difficult, very
difficult
throughout the country into Sevilla or Semema or more putting together, and it will span from a certain year after a certain year. I can't really give any figure out now. I'm sorry about that. But in due course, the BBA meeting Yama or my work is a figure some.
But I didn't see that a pipe power baby near Fregana water Japan some other year.
And just your response time as a company is 24 hours. So I said, in average 24 hours. In Tibu we respond earlier than the 24 hours. Tibu slightly beyond the 24 hours.
The Mentias say pipe paya nen so ni gua.
Me explain about.
Explain because 24 hours in the door so no.
And so within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours into moba a pioneer se mudi 23 hours across samaba.
And my explain sometimes either earlier or a bit beyond, depending on time I get information. After saying information now, you need a repair pipeline now, in Swo and an pipeline until say a two. Now, who say a pipeline a network? Until sometimes no, we are able to identify so you're two women, who actually the place. Sometimes you have two women, so once in so no egu. There was say you can identify all other places, then we can isolate the place. But actually, you in so kind of pipeline, Nina, a bit take time and send a Nina egu before we can repair the line. In the you responded to that by isolating the area, but a excess water now was system and on a egu. It will sound and look as if say we haven't responded, but we have, except that we will have to wait for the pipeline to dry up before your repair line. A bit too form, a bit too form, so that we can change the pipeline and not go. It is not like we don't respond immediately, but it's because the excess water will have to dry up from the line and sana eating a repair line and sometimes they take time. It will have 1 hour, it will have 2 hours, depending on the size of the pipeline. So I'll say a train.
Me mau 4 locations say ya. So 24 hours now we cannot enya no kure. When him say connection here baby a pipe pie ya na your friend so we faka o kase Messi baby a pipe pie no. We are aware.
Captain Swat.
No, we are aware. When you aware kase when you aware.
Me aware papa.
And so what the young shall say Ghana water was within 24 hours. Na pipe timi a pie it did more than 6 months. Na your friend was Messi baby a pipe na pie no. And
also na some of them no a waste line line and your pipe.
Oh, and the sir connection did now your waste and your waste, bra.
And make us say connection area hono is situated on your main transmission line from Wager Airba. So sometimes the two a check and sana yetimi a repair, but that pipeline is weak. So it takes a bit of time and sana insoni na etimi adry ewo it's what I say.
Mentiasia because say take it time the number of months a day a traffic we have na no as I said dry into afi as a pipe na dry
no me sure say afi
oh baby yes Messi baby a pipe ya what can she
and smart let me be very sincere with you
be sincere with me
your response time no 24 hours averagely, and I mean it, and it's serious, and it's documented.
Okay, but another location.
That connection issue, no. Anyway, let me get the details of it. But it can't happen. Say your main transmission line up high 6 months and so do you know the volumes of water that will go out within that time, even in an hour? It can't be possible.
Me say, why do you have to? Me say, hono. Na your friend me, what track ma? Was Messi baby a pipe na pie no. Ebe location. There be say go by 1 week pa ke ho. Yemfa ho nya landmark.
And I will get the details of that.
Go and get the details. Second point. William Kingsby. Atwanta Kingsby. William ho.
Yes.
Okay. Say wo free Kingsby roundabout. What tra your friend say Chinese restaurant na wo ho na. Obetu hu say kwan ba ko da won sabonkum. Wokwa wanim kitua bi hotel bi wo wonsa ho na sa kwan na fa wonsa bankum na hotel bi wo ho another point roof the next 10 second 10 on your left no pipe no a pipe fita ma me bankran oh and any sound na me no kan no time na me meti me bo mpatwo mba time me meti achimota me fry ma me be kan wo radio so say tie for be kan ya say me pipe na me koto a me fry Ghana water bi mu
Captain Swan.
These
issues, we feel say the information one may not get to us on time, or two may not go to the appropriate quarters. And Nunti, and you see a new call center now, so that people will call in free and give us directions to such places. The technology is going to the extent that the Google location of the place now, it makes it easier for us to get there. So we are putting in a lot of measures to enable us identify some of these challenges in template. We are establishing telemetry systems such that even on a screen in our office, we are able to monitor the pressures in our pipelines on our computers, such that if there's a pressure will come from our certain areas now. We just send our fault team there immediately to identify what the cause is and what the challenge is. How much pressure is not dropping. So we are putting in a lot of measures. It can identify some of these things. Sometimes people do not really care.
We don't care because you're from Mama.
That cannot be true.
That is the truth. That is the reality. Upa line yafa. Let me phone line say we am
sometimes there are other people who also say Ghana Water response time is very, very good because of the experience that we've had. So there could be these shortfalls one or two places, but in totality, we don't respond to them.
Okay, Mamencho idea ba kubi pipe Roman Rage mo contem pa. A pipe East Legon mo contem. a pie our Trasaqua Mpaton Yabutrema mo contem there be anya no kre enya ba bia na mo contem a pie our ministries are and no kra de wan hwe ye obi akura mfre emse no mo was special eye bia mo de hunu pa na madru ho there are certain areas minim se ho no man contem a se trouble beba wo se den o e ho de pakrim na mo ko areas na wo dansuma ntokro mu ne nkokro mo twene kokro bitedi ne nkankan fo ne ntokro mo no wo befre oh yeba 3 days oh yeba 1 week oh yeba 2 weeks then so ni de gu wo pa gira phone ya fa na me be phone line from now
me fun to say it's a bit exaggeration of the truth, but there's no problem about it. We can't be a perfect organization, although we are striving to be. So until when we get the information, we'll get there and make sure say we are putting in a lot of measures so and making sure that some of these occurrences are reduced to the barest minimum. If you are here age and making sure that these things don't occur. But yes. Occasionally they will occur. Your pipelines, most of them are old. Until when they're high pressures and no account, and then some of the challenges that we talked about. If you make it kiosks and no account, it's the pipeline also on quite chain. Meaning the weight of those things partake on the pipeline.
Okay.
So pipelines need to be weight. So we have a lot of challenges.
Okay.
Okay. And I gradually you hope that we'll get there. Because the ambition is to be a world-class utility. And so we are putting in a lot of things. We are leveraging on technology to improve on our system. And we hope that in the very near future, we'll get there.
It is a mature pipeline, be a say a major pipeline, say a pipeline, be a Elikia 7 years or more. Now, question who say no credit said they make cana over Jatum Samafeli.
No, but Captain Smart, I'll be very surprised at you. So when we say pipe leaking 7 years, okay, and
the Jabo tournament show the entire catch or some bomber money, ba. My first interview with you, Adom FM Hanam di Camboa money. So we free a Palm Junction. Now we come Ozana. We free a Palm Junction, Ubekwen Yemi, now we call him, wo frugo mo akuma se be pona mo main lines ni bi na as ye de concrete bi na esisi ase na holding no ba ko apai maka from 2013 am bank cran 23rd July 2013 my first interview with you on the 8th of February 2014 that is the first thing I told you. And I'll catch them say, Ube bought Central Region 4, something. Ube bought Onuma Manio, Sebibi Momakwa. Just this year, me kwasra me na ogo mo atechima meba. Said abaya obi be hu said ya me kan me muanti. Me shia Chief Baine ewo kwam. Ye gina ho sheda toku be wiye. Said ya be obi be hu said bebia ye gina no ye ntwa ntro. Besin ne sa pipe no e leaky since kojo yo. Me the bank. It is still leaking.
Captain Smart, I've taken notice. But the mechanism say, could you tell me your cancer? It's been repaired. It's possible to say it's real care.
Open so catch him say Marco repair.
Only thing is to inform us.
Debbie can ye na me to me busa question ye. Me catch na wono Marco repair.
We have done that.
Open anya no kra. Match the enti anya no kra. Ye the rubber chechere ho. Me see the wo kan nya no kra because ye the rubber aboard the bow tie. Mo kwa definitely mo better rubber. The best in the rubber monte here.
Okay, what I'll do is say I'm going to inform the Central Region again to work on it, and the moment we take pictures near Kenya Bell. So you see before and after. And then I'll be very glad if you are able to inform the general public.
I will inform the general public. Do it, and I will inform the general public.
Okay, I'll do so.
Mr. Marty.
Mr. That's surprised. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
But like I say every time, you was state of the art call center. Toll number senior a toll free line.
Bobo numbers no.
You don't be as long to inform me.
What are Bobo numbers no?
Yo, there's 0840,000. 0840,000. And we are for Vodafone landlines. We try Vodafone cell line and now Vodafone landline now. For the fry a free. For other networks no a 020302218240. 0302218240. And then for all other networks, offer a BPK a Yahoo. After your cell lines, mobile lines, and they're 24/7. If you get a call agent to speak with you and to take the details. And then videos, any pictures, any Google locations, and we can take it was a platform. So you can also 020-738-5087. 020-738-5087. And I said 5088. And I said 5089. And I said 5090. So these are the 4 cell lines. Anytime I'll be free 24/7, you get us to pick and to discuss and to pick up your details. And then videos and then Google locations now every app be a direction we are getting epic also my direction my
Mesambo numbers number T for amount. That's it. And somehow in Ghana Water Company Limited. It's about time as I say a Jumana Obia Yeno. Now yetimi ya obia baby obia masa enya brofo de kasa tenten o nipa ntia say ye fi say well I say we do ani asi obi no Ghana Water mo ya kwadro yen kan ni pain yes ebi wo mu a mo ye o adwuma yie so it cannot be all of you but some fight that institution Ghana Water Company I tell you make a chance mo ya kwadro some father entire institution Ghana Water Company maka tom sa moya kwadro even though mu woni pani bi wo ho a wo mo ya adwuma yi he ana ba man iska ana he na papa ni nyen abanya ma utumi se me some pipe pa da meka ana fama posi na nkrofo timi ye kwan ono ade ne pese or a private company or lay fiber optic so lay den yo no wa pipe free no nam ho de ye nam krom no kura ye ko hu sa pai na wa frag Ghana Water no beka chem say within 24 hours my truck connection me say ho ye landmark driver messi be a pipe na pai no me bankra 2013. What are you telling me? Hey, pipe now fra Ghana Water. Over fra. Officers obi yo bi papa. Say see a Ghana revenue. Womuntu me to am target san crofon to me tax no. Sabani hwe. Na to no aye gigi no. Former na ekwa. Government will not go and borrow and come and pay you. I'm telling you, obeto aketua so. See what other countries so. See what other African countries. Go to Zimbabwe. Buying so about salary so. Because people are fed up, people are tired. Say a tesikana, depending on the idea of Trianicano, a German sasso Yamayano, they will not do it. Abba. Last 5 days a day, a pie wa beka danchi we. Ahomachia ye bed Juma, Nyaminkwa. So be a nim. I was also at the Swakra. I did so green and necrofoko. Ati vufum. As a police in the court, swanim. How? Adiache so nansa. Crobens na pipe paya. Edina ansanse ayo. Here we are near the Brofaka, the Sokromo Dum and the Sokromo Tre, and the Tuntum Kruku and the Tuntum Rambra, near the Akekania, the Hugum said, Jaw, near Carrier, near call. Oh, we want to be a world class branded water company. We would be. Debia, we would be. Mark, I draw too much. Munyasa, Absa, pipe and a paya, ya framwa, Munko yo tone. I am Munko. Ya woni pari be sugu kroma nipa bone samsa wagbo asamso ama me da sepa yasan former your friend saying my serving police commander no ye kokko me rafi ni din ye kokko kama bi me rafi ni din o ti abanti a wa hyeda onam kwan ho sa kutalanga o ya pipe nda ho sa no de abo po no apa no akoi wa aboa no de abom po no apa pipe no Say no be switch na hold or tete say no hwen sa odi na chia hu ya genga na guy no not ka che kwa me apia mbe bi o mo te wadu kubi ho na kire ho ba bi post for kuta mu say bo wa shada ekuta langa or the abo pipe no po wa akwayi yare chesa obi pipe no nyare hwi o wa pai no aha your friend tio police commander na order by 7 your friend Theophilus menim baby o say okwache no ya wo companies wo krom ha o ye adwuma asesa okobo Ghana water mane no so ono so nkobo o mane da odo kokyira kokorodo no apa pipes ni na de ye kra wo mu ni say ba ku bi kumase TUC junction so contractor ho pipe no owi na ka na tegu su kama o kanete egu pipe na wa papai no so kama no gu kota no gu so let you fund them enso ma yenya pipe honorable escape for that time on na regional minister wo bu die kire contractor na pipe na shada kanete gu so egu kota na gu so adan hey ani Ghana water o madwuma na toda tosini ba yeso ka ho pipe so na sa yemi phone line no eti Ghana water pipe na pioneer from amonkoye mo number se me san bobo me ana me kan say pipe na ka obi from me nka biom but enso na puguru do 0302216561216562 papa ne say pipe mo fra ya no ma be o se eboa wo mutie monka mo monte.
Call has been put on hold.
0302216562. Hello, good morning.
Your call has been put on hold.
You need to put on hold or put on hold. You need to be na fadia on for hold mrana yenkwati. You need that you. Hello?
Hello, Captain. Good morning.
Morning, Abusama Mintio.
Where chief weather will begin back from Macawabri.
Medase.
Captain, your friend said Pentecost say opposite. You can papa or the dado.
Pentecost say Nyabotre na che location no. Anyo mbaba ka che nse yeboa.
Okay. Pentecost asole dan no ne omo Pentecost
asole dan o Ghana head oso. De na. Pentecost Eburi Pentecost.
Abri Pentecost.
Anything.
Ane Methodist emusie no.
Opposite.
Make us krompo etene. Make us etene.
E pa ye nra o.
That nra. Aburu amount.
Edegu.
Aburu amount. Ama e fa kwa anim. Wahu. Aso so omo fa hoda bia wanya say omo fa hoda bia.
Okay. Young friend from Medase. Hello, good morning.
No, Captain.
Abusama Mintio. Medase.
Kamia kase the part na ukase amom ye ben adwuma amom ye ani ya for pilot say send waterway check odoko talazi route monsieur captain bi paye me press o mo ka tell say ombeba mi ko dra ho mi taye kaye o mo so ombeba e da ho sawa bosumi ne na otu yini boys bi e na o mo di na ko ya na ko bi fie na sleep na boys bi di e mo ko ta part ni bi e no mo stilia no mo di to na se ya no be bosumi yenu nti even your catalytic for better the best now kind of what I want for the Ghana company no ya for but the captain Michel the give me a party okay now the ben and will be there it market will be a bus stopper and then yeah now to me yeah boss me why captain your Ghana for ya now we Michel papa
Michel so your father next person hello morning
yeah smart patrol morning
bibia bokode
ya me Adom patrol yeah
boom mayenko
me patrol o live now o the two number no phone o dia na ye adwuma sisi a
me phone line no ye adwuma ba WhatsApp ni so
anya WhatsApp na water waste ni ba me nchen wa ha a me na adwuma ntu oba me de no number no oba ka de koso nyina a kire wo battery it oba flow later say ye adwuma nko ade a talent say benya offline no me be so
there be number de ye adwuma
me patrol you it o me nchen wa adwuma mu ha o tie it oba ka security bi mu bi a kire wo
mate
let us find
me de pa hayo
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is saying?
Nyame Adom.
This is the Ghana using
Pacho low radio no mama kakran ka bebo ame. Medas.
This is Ghana de. You would have be a music. Say, we be for bibia nya eya ban de no. But say e wo mo mo ye adwuma o kwade ye ntu o moka. Say nsema ye ti wo de bia no. Ye de tutu ho a na eya yo ho say youth ni ehu sometimes we go do baby boy say wa kwaya double standard o baby because say na de bia wo ka wia na mpenfo ne ye wo hwe a na ye ko ti o mo say one day bibi besi no ebi na si wo asante region wo baby na nkofo no ko yi this yi no mu fi so mo nya hwe no mu yi ne bae no one day maybe ye besi nye dan so ma here wo fo bon say apai nkofo fa so mpenfo ne edwumayefo na fa so de bia obi ankasa ho ade na yehu wo mai bi ade na ekosi one day
And I say hello.
Wafa captain.
Minia.
Pacha bum today.
Nyame Adom. Mami ti.
Okay, ni agwenku. Nyame sha on the wate.
Nyame sha on so.
Topic me de pan and the wabos in the menya ka be me jaw kese pa. Wafa. When me say 2012 in kumi en pipe ya essay and the Adom Adaroma. Mampeni ya me 2012 wo twa kwan kama mapeni ba former president Obanyaku Agwanyaku mu twa kwan no ma wo say no ofa ye yensi anoma bepemenda make say ne awra ho ne say contractors no nti anya so wo twa kwan a abaye ne ndi wechi woni engineer wa assemblies so wo say pipe a eni bedi wechi na Ghana ha de bia make say Ghana water for no one why you adwuma ye ya pipe say ye kan ya what nyen kumifo ye ntwa letansa adia pipe no ni etwa kan ye mu adwuma Ghana water company de me se me otumi awem nka me ye wa adia ma pipe to ma from wa so obeba no wafa tisi yakopon yene wo bo nyame wo bo Ghana betumi de wo adwuma ya betumi de wafa me dasi
Your father expressing hello good morning. E was ama minti o.
E ba jo efuni.
Efumi dasi.
Captain Nyame shira papa.
Captain.
Oh, ye kan nipa. Omo bua Ghana kwa anyema bi sia. Omo nya di ko omo bua Ghana e sa pia rofo no. Captain we kan net say. O show e bia no ye to do be say obi no kasa. Pia rofo no. Sa do no say omo protect aduma no omo ye no. Se Ghana no omo protect o. Because se tempia di dia si. Ah, we fe pia no. De oba be kasa mi de minim aduma ni mra di mom. Captain we kasa se sei. Ghana obi ni atiti asise. What Ghana water idea company idea mo ye nenye. Ti asile papa different na adi mako ye me ya captain. There was a time now Rory Spark or pipe big pie or na. Workers in the truck almost Chicago no mo almost share overall ground this army. Almost trouble na Mikacho se masa pacho pipe we apeo. Aselo ba ku bie na no ka chere ntemi nkoro mi nkodom. Wow, asebo bi assembly ye ni yasa mesinde. Antimi suma imagine say semi na ntipa ma wo se bibi pipe me flip water was the ye. O ka chere ntemi nkodom nsuo no. Wow.
Pipe na wo hu a wo ka chere no so konum nsuo no.
Omo travel omo ti pick up no omo se brown. And I'm catching you, Master Pipe, you are Payo. But I could be an answer to Captain Telecom. Yano, well, Captain, I did my concert class in say. Area you are pipe, it's me pie, not most area in your home of Sansu. Well, no one area in Nan. If you call me Shadow Pine, no more, or Piazza or Cobuso. Well, it's up here for me, they can't say, Omo Wagana,
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Yes, sir. Pacho Maminti you.
Pacho, from AB, me table.
Medase.
Captain, before I call what I was from, the program somewhere around May 2017. Captain, after what did you start you? After Penibia Chiwash them, I don't know, but that's how I'm feeling. Captain, I so Captain, or passion around Nazareth Church, just behind Nazareth International Church. We say what I was almost for 1 month. I don't know why. One day, now me children, I share more pickers be our fair junction. So I stop and I'm called stop car na me catch and say me catch a driver and say me chair bibi and I mean no call bibi I pass na car and no call share no one say and I'm catch and say almost me ba hono like people were complaining for about a month and I'm so my from almost 1 month or month but better to 2 months and Captain, if you see the volume of water that was flowing into the gutter, it's so pathetic, it's so sad. And Captain, what you are saying is true. They just don't want to admit it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm in fancy her now. Bomodiana fish and so, mammy, sir. So, let me ask if Fabɛwɔso na yo daddy ya. A Pan African Savings and Loans, Vitamilk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, na Franco Trading, Fun a papa pine na wumfi no. One of the swats near the bro. Yandani, home money, and fan pensel to us.
Hey, Mansa, I